Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about metric conversions related to length. So most of the time in the word problems, they would have given the question in some different form of unit, and they will try to ask you to solve it in different unit. That means you'll have to convert them, right? So I always found it very difficult and not so confident in doing so. So I hope, like, I feel that other students, lot of students out there still find it very difficult in conversion, right? Isn't it? So here I try to keep it very simple, and I have tried my best to explain to you how to do it. So let's begin. So here I have made this table or a chart, you can say, where all the length related I have specified here. So starting from millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So in the exam what will happen is they would give in the one of the like some dimensions they would have given in centimeter, and some of them would have given in the say meter. So that time you will have to bring the entire all the data to one particular unit and try to solve it, right? So in India, specifically in India, we use the meter, right? SI unit, standard unit, and especially what we use in India is meter or centimeter. Basically this is the maximum used, right, in our classes, meter and centimeter. But also you will get it in decimeter, millimeter and also hecto, right? So we should know the conversion for that. See, either you can use the mnemonics method, something like KHD, MDCM, or something like opposite MCD, MDHK, something you can make your own mnemonics for that. And remember, it is from this side, from down to up you go, it is in the increasing order, and from up to down you come, it is in the decreasing order. Okay, so now let's take an example and try to solve it. See, one more thing I would like to specify is between each thing, this 10 plays a very important role. Okay, so for example, you want to convert, right, 8 centimeter to the meter. Now remember, centimeter is big or meter is big, right? Obviously meter is big, and whenever you want to convert the small thing to big thing, you have to remember, I will just specify here, from small unit to the bigger unit, remember to divide. All right, divide. And just the opposite, from the bigger unit you want to convert into the smaller unit, you have to multiply. Okay, this is the some remember, like this is how you can remember it. So now you have the small one and you want to convert into big one, you know you have to divide. By what you should divide this? The 10 I told you, but I will just show you. See, centimeter is where, centimeter is here, right? So between each thing you will have to have a 10 there. So for example, centimeter to meter, so from here to here I have to divide by 10, from here to again here I have to divide by 10, so 2 times 10, so I am going to divide 8 by 10 square. That is nothing but 8 by 100, isn't it? So the answer will be 0.08 meter. So here let's start with another example. So let me take say 10 kilometers, and you are supposed to convert it into the decimeter. How are we going to do it? It is just the opposite. See, here we have a bigger unit to the smaller unit. What are supposed to, bigger to smaller, you have to multiply. So by how many times then you have to multiply? Just count it. Okay, here we have a kilo, right? So kilo to hecto, 10 one time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time and 5 time. Sorry, here again I will repeat it. See here, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and deci. We should stop here, 4 times, isn't it? So we have already this 10 and multiply 10 raised to the power 4 times, right? Here 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time, right? So which is nothing but 10 raised to the power 5 decimeter, or you can write just 1 and 5 zeros there and write the decimeter. This is the answer. Let me take another example here. So let's take the 5 millimeter and try to convert it into this is a let's take a hectometer, right? HM. All right. So now from small to big, what did I say? We'll have to divide, right? So divide by what? How many times? So milli is here, right? So milli to here, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. So divide the 5 by 10 raised to the power 5, right? Which is nothing but how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 5 hectometer, isn't it? So let me take another example, the last example. Let's take let's take the deca and convert it into milli. Okay, so let's take 4 deca, right? Deca, DA stands for decameter, is equal to how many millimeter? So deca is here. Okay, deca, you remember, from big to small we have to convert it into millimeter. From big to small, you know, you have to multiply, right? So deca is here, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times. So basically we have 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4, and the answer you are going to get is 4 zeros, and write the millimeter. Okay. Also children might get the confusion between D and here. So how do we make out in the exam which is deci and deca? See, basically D, whenever say DM they give, right, it is directly decimeter, and whenever they use this DA, right, so that means it is deca. Okay, I hope I'm clear on this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.